Hi everyone, this is Amandeep, student ID 303808558. Today me and my group member Gurpreet and Sandeep are going to explain the topic IT service management. Introduction. This presentation is basically focusing on discussing the concept of IT service management and its different concepts such as life cycle, strategy, design, operation, transition, etc. Based on this understanding, the presentation is also going to demonstrate the case of IBM and its way of implementing IT service management. Moreover, the discussion related to business value, different way of developing and implementing the practices of IT service management is also going to be addressed here. In this slide, we are going to discuss service management and its application. IT service management is a strategy by which information systems are offered under contract to customers and performance is managed as service. The framework of it structures the IT system for an organization and with proper implementation, management and delivery. It runs the business in an artful manner as well. The service lifecycle offers activities and phrases to administer the IT system and strategy help it in fulfilling the objective of the company based on lifecycle. Moreover, design of it ensures better generation of service strategy. It also provides proper service operation, service transition, continuous improvement of service as well. For example, IBM uses the IT service management in maintaining its daily services and IT activities along with the operation that the system offers. The service transition makes sure the examination and completion of every activity in the life cycle as well. If any improvement is needed in the system of IT service management, continuous improvement happens under the service life cycle. Practical case based on service management. Here, in this picture, you can see that people, technology and processes all are bounded together by IT service management. The common benefit related to implementation of IT service management is improving operational efficiency and reducing spending on IT. IBM also uses IT service management in maintaining data safety and incident management. The system helps IBM in keeping the data secure and respond to incidents that have a goal as for restoring it with minimal impact on the company. Now, the further few slides would be explained by the Gurpreet. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Gurpreet Kaur. Now I discuss about practice implemented by the case for improving IT system management. First of all, problem management, change management, and configuration management. IT service management is the group of skills that an IT organization utilizes to ensure quality, effectiveness, and better delivery of service to the clients. It is the similar for IBM because the IT service management help IMB in managing the problem and authorizing and monitoring and documenting the whole problem and change management altogether. It also provides knowledge management, service level management, service request management, IT service management for all processes that aims to ascertain the quality of IT service based on approved service level. Similarly, IBM also used IT service management in sharing IT related knowledge across organizations and also handles the request for new services and changing in different service level altogether. Creation of business value with IT service management. First one is utility and second one is warranty. Utility and warranty. The creation of value is done in the organization at the time both the warranty and utility are satisfied. Business like IBM used the IT service in order to increase its utility level among the client base and also make sure that clients are getting the warranty and promise from the firm in getting a better service and quality IT system along with the delivery of valuable and beneficial IT devices and services altogether. Further slide explain my friend Sandeep. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sandeep Kaur and I am going to represent the remaining slide of our PPT. And here's the first slide, the way of developing and enhancing the service management practice, creation of a team and help desk, selection of technology for service management, continuous improvement of the stages. As for improving and enhancing the practice of IT service management, companies like IBM require corporation integration, hosting and development of a team with the help desk. As for ensuring the better approach of ITSM based on the selection of the technology to ensure the proper application of ITSM, businesses like IVM can enhance the practices. Moreover, there is a need of improving the stages continuously for making sure the service is offering better results. So the next slide is about planning and implementation of improved service management practice, development of service structure in engaging employees, investment in the service desk. As for planning and implementing the improved ITSM, IVM requires implementing it before brainstorming the idea with its expert IT personnel. Then, with the development of service structure and portfolio, there is a need to invest. Invest the service desk as for making sure that the overall organization is able to work with the newly implemented uh, system and also generating better outcomes. And here is a conclusion: properly structured, justified with relevant resources, identify the findings from the reports. The whole PPT has addressed the findings from the report and has addressed it under a proper structure with the justified information gathered from relevant resources. And here's the reference where we get all the information about the PPT. Thank you.